When you walk onto this campus, you don't really want to leave. That's just what's great about this place. I had a bunch of people who were here from another technical college, and they said you can feel it when you walk on campus. People here like being here, and it's tangible. You can feel it, and that's one of the things that's really cool. And you can't tell that from a website. You can't see it from the street.
I heard about WCTC through a colleague here who had said amazing things about WCTC, the work ethic, the culture, the people, the campus, and that's what drew me to WCTC.
I was attracted to WCTC hands down because of the culture and the opportunity to make a difference.
I would say the culture at WCTC is extremely special. I think from the top down, there is a genuine sense of care. People want you here, people want you to be successful here.
I remember during my first few months here, I actually ran into the president in the hallway, and something that really stuck out to me that he said was that it's okay to make mistakes along the way, just don't burn the building down. It's refreshing to hear that because I think you get so caught up in, I can't make a mistake or I shouldn't make a mistake. But that's the biggest way to learn something, especially when you're in a new position.
We're constantly told to try different things, innovative ways to be able to move the college forward.
We're always striving to grow and always striving to be better. And so coming to WCTC, you will get that. You will be able to grow in your role and beyond.
I would tell new hires that it's probably going to be the best place you'll ever work. I have met some of the most phenomenal people on the student side and on the faculty side. I've had experiences here that I never thought I would have. And even on my worst day coming to work, it's better than my best day anywhere else that I've ever worked.
I definitely think our modern college planning and thinking about the future is something that's very exciting. The things that we're doing on campus, the future YMC that's going to be here, what we're doing with AI, I think is fantastic.
For those that want to come teach at WCTC, be ready for your heartstrings to be pulled on because you're going to fall in love with the environment of the campus as well as the facilities and that of the students and the instructors here at the campus as well as the leadership. It's a place of love, learning, and growth.
If you're looking for a career where innovation meets purpose, where your contributions are valued, and where you can grow professionally in a stable environment, I invite you to explore the opportunities at WCTC, just as we continue to reimagine education and empower the workforce of tomorrow.